Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to contact Duolingo directly. So let's have a look now. Duolingo offers support through their help center and provides a way to contact them directly for assistance with app-related issues, inquiries or feedback. Visit the Duolingo Help Center using a web browser. The Help Center provides answers to frequently asked questions and common issues that users might face. If you can't find the answer to your question in the Help Center, there should be an option to Contact Support. Scroll down and click here. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and details about your issue or question. Provide as much detail as possible about the problem you are experiencing or the question you have. This helps the support team better understand and assist you. Once you have filled out the form, submit your request to Duolingo support team. They will contact with you. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.